Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Akib Zuma, your English coach, and in this video we are going to cover some at the tip of tongue. What is the meaning of at the tip of tongue? No, takiya kalam, which is just on the tip of your tongue every time you speak these sentences or phrases in your language. So in this video I am going to give Hindi, and then I will give you this English of that, or the way you can speak in a different manner. Well, the first is when people generally say that हम किसी से कम नहीं. So how can you say this in English? You will make the sentence like this: we are second to none. Or if you want to make the interrogative, like क्या हम किसी से कम हैं, so you will say are we second to anyone, right? So next is that मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. This is the you know very common spoken. मैं तेरा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा या मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. The type of the sentences are used. So in this you can say this in English that I will break your teeth. I will. We don't break the mouth, we just break the teeth, and the sense is that. So next you see many time people say आ देखे ज़रा किसमें कितना है दम. So how can you say this in English? So you can say let's come together and just see how potential you are. So again you can say in a different way also, have fight and just prove your potential. Okay, and next people say in anger say मैं तुम्हें चुटकी में मिला दूँ, धूल में मिला दूँगा, मैं तुम्हें ऐसा कर दूँगा, वैसा कर दूँगा. तो in this way you can say in English that I will reduce you into zero. I will reduce you into zero. So in this way also you can make this sentence. Next sentence is that मेरे generally mom says that मेरे बेटे की क्या खाने की इच्छा हो रही है. So in this way how can you say this in English? You can make the sentence that what does my baby feel like eating. Again listen, what does my baby feel like eating, or you can say what does my darling feel like eating, or what does my son feel like eating. तो जहाँ भी इस तरीके के सेंटेंस आए कि ऐसा खाने की इच्छा हो रही है, पीने की इच्छा हो रही है, तो यू विल यूज़ feel like and the verb which is you want to say that. So next at the tip of tongue is that मैं तुम्हें जीने नहीं दूँगा. Yes, it's very common. So you can say that I will make your life hell. I will make your life hell. Or you can also say that I will not let you live, or I will not let you be happy. This is also. Or sometimes people say that तुमने मेरा जीना हराम कर दिया है. This is also you can say in English that you have made my life hell, because hell is the worst place as per this the concept is there. Heaven is a very good place, hell is a very bad place. So you can say you have made my life hell. So next is that मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है, which is very common sentence which people speak. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है. So in this sentence you can say in English that what wrong have I done to you. Again listen, what wrong have I done to you. Or next sentence if I want to explain that one more I have listened so many times people say that मुझे जाने दो. So this sentence you can say very easily, let me go. खुदा के वास्ते मुझे जाने दो. तो you can add here for the sake of. Next sentence मैंने अपना सारा काम कर लिया है, अब तुम अपने बारे में सोचो. So how can you say that I have done my all the tasks, now you think about yourself. Next sentence तुम खुद को समझते क्या हो. You can say this in English, who do you think you are. Who do you think you are. And next तुम जो कुछ भी हो, चाहे जो कुछ भी हो, खुदा तो नहीं. So you can say in English that whatever you are but not God. Or you can say whoever you are but not God. Suppose you want to say that जो मर्जी हो खा लो. You can say whatever you wish you can eat it, right? In this way also many sentences, or you can write down in the comment if some sentence you want to make into English, you write down in Hindi, in Roman English, then I will post the translation of that. If I say that मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, suppose you have just dressed up and you want to ask somebody that मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, so you will say in English that how do I look, how do I look. Or if you want to say something तुम बिल्कुल गधे लग रहे हो, you can say that you are looking a damn fool, you're looking a damn fool, although you should not say this, I'm just telling you. Next is a very common sentence, मैं तुम्हारे लिए चांद से तारे तोड़ सकता हूँ. So this is although it is not possible, but people say this, मैं तुम्हारे लिए चांद तारे तोड़ सकता हूँ. So how will you say this in English? I can pluck the star from the sky for you. I can pluck the star from the sky for you. And one more thing, तुम्हारी घड़ी में क्या समय हो रहा है, which is very spoken and people ask this many times, तुम्हारी घड़ी में क्या समय हो रहा है. So in English you will say, what is the time according to your watch, what is the time according to your watch. In this way also you can say that. Next is आज के खाने में क्या बना है. So you can say what is there in today's lunch, what is there in today's lunch or dinner. Yes. Next is sometimes we say आना ज़रूर. It's very important. You insist someone आना ज़रूर. You will say that you please do come, please do come, please do attend the meeting, please do attend the party, please do come. In this way also you can say. Next it's very common that मेरी नाक बह रही है. When this you find that you have caught by this cold and you say that naak beh rahi hai, you will say my nose is running. It is not flowing, it is running, right? And if you are saying that मैंने 2 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया है, so you can say that मैंने 2 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया है, तो you can say in a different way that I am starving for 2 days. Starving means भूख से मरना. It means that you are really very hungry. Or sometimes you say and listen many times, और बताओ क्या हाल है. It say that WhatsApp. You can say in this one word WhatsApp. Or you can say some people are gossiping each other and they are sitting in a group and you want to just interrupt them. You can say what's going on, WhatsApp, what's up buddy, what's up dude, what's my friend. So many types of words you can say in English. And next I am really looking forward to seeing that how many of you comment and write your sentence so that I will give you reply in English. Or one last sentence, हम आपके हैं कौन. So in this last concluding sentence I would like to tell you, it is very spoken and very much in news that हम आपके हैं कौन. You will say in English, what am I to you, what am I to you. और तुम्हारा इससे क्या लेना देना. You can say how are you concerned with this matter. So here I have covered so many at the tip of tongue. I hope you like the video. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe it and share with your friends, and do write some comment if you really are looking forward to seeing the translation of your sentence which are troubling you. I will tell you how to make into English. So I'm really looking forward to seeing that your messages. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.